Your next car could be the 2020 Jeep Compass. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Compass delivers refined sophistication, versatile SUV capability, the latest safety features, and an adventurous spirit. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. It's the sophisticated beauty with bookish smarts. It's the Compass. Come in and drive it.